The Taylorville Tornadoes hosted Charleston on senior night.
It's a great feeling. It was nice to see all the seniors contribute tonight.
Jet Evans got the Tornadoes fired up after Eric Dust started the night with a throwdown and warm-ups.
Senior night's something special every year.
Dust went to work when the game started, and Tanner Champley knocked down the deep ball. Charleston answered with a nice jump hook. Champley did a heat check, and the man who loves to block for him on the gridiron picked him up for the 2 down low. Dust bothered the Trojans on both ends of the floor.
That's not the best game so far this year, so we're just going to keep building off of it.
Huddleston got the runner to go, and Taylorville led 10-7 after the first quarter. Cole Sheedy got the 2 to start the second, and Heimsness got the easy 2 after the steal. Charleston kept firing from 3, but Blake Heimsness had the answer. Dust went back to work with the 8-footer, and then got the board and the putback. He scored 13 in the first half, but this Apollo showdown was tied at 28 at the half. Mitchell Rhymes had a rough night from downtown, but always found the big fella inside.
I had a big size advantage. I just stayed down low, and the guards got to me whenever they could.
Rhymes finally got the 3 to fall, and Taylorville led 39-33 after 3, thanks to some lockdown defense.
Sometimes the only ones who can stop Eric Dust from scoring inside are our passers ourselves, or getting Eric to stay inside, you know.
Dust hit 2 threes in the second half, and he finished with 25 points and 13 rebounds.
Against this big a size advantage, we just got to find a way to use him, and I thought we did a pretty good job tonight.
Cole Sheedy closed it out with 4 points in the fourth, and Taylorville went on to win 57-41.
Listen, Coach Vickers, stick to his game plan. I mean, if we win out, we'll at least have a share of the title. So these next 2 games are definitely big.